Bird by Maya Angelou. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends and dips its wings in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stalks down its narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The cage bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown, but longed for still. And his tune is heard on a distant hill, where the cage bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worm waiting on the dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But the caged bird stands on a grave of dreams. His shadow shouts in nightmare screams. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on a distant hill, where the caged bird sings of freedom